Welcome, dear listeners, to our beach paradise where relaxation is easy and the vibes are unparalleled. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to a place where the sun shines consistently, the water is warm and crystal clear, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of adventure. Imagine walking along the pristine, soft sands of a secluded beach, where the only sound you hear is the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. The sun shines brightly, warming your skin and inviting you to take a leisurely stroll. Admiring the breathtaking views of the crystal clear waters, you're surrounded by lush palm trees, creating a soothing ambience that's perfect for unwinding and letting go of the day's worries. In this paradise, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy. Take a swim in the warm, inviting waters, or try your hand at various water sports, such as paddle boarding, snorkeling, or even a refreshing dip in the ocean. For those who prefer land-based activities, there's always a chance to indulge in or explore the vibrant marine life by diving into the crystal clear waters. For the ultimate relaxation, head to one of the cozy beach bars and enjoy a refreshing tropical cocktail while soaking up the sun. As the day turns into night, the beach comes alive with music, laughter, and the gentle glow of countless stars overhead. The atmosphere is electric. If you're looking for a place where relaxation is easy and the vibes are unparalleled, look no further than this beach paradise. With its stunning natural beauty, endless activities, and warm, welcoming atmosphere, it's the perfect getaway for anyone seeking to unwind and reconnect with nature.